Hello, I am at the Dongdaemun Design Plaza, otherwise known as the DDP. Just climbed up a few stairs there. I don't know why I started the video there, but this place is amazing. From what I could tell, it's all about design, art, and kind of having out-of-the-box thinking experience. So the first thing that I was checking out was the Hong Kong art exhibit, which was this kind of animation art exhibit. There were just all these posters, and they had certain video screens that were playing interviews with animators and directors from Hong Kong. It was kind of an explanation of how Hong Kong got into the anime game and how they're trying to improve it and grow with it. It was really interesting, and I'm just coming to this understanding that on this floor that I'm on, it's for children. Maybe the opposite side has something different, but that side was just for children. And so going on to the second floor, from what I saw, was this robotics type of museum where they had all these interactive robotics items. Some of them were very strange, kind of like modern artist type renditions of items, and others were fairly just straightforward. There was a number of different exhibits in there, like a number wall, which was like this different types of art that they used numbers to display their art. There was also some like VR experiences there. Now, I didn't really try any of them. I wasn't really into that type of thing because of the times. I mean, that's why I'm wearing a mask, right? And I'm sure they clean everything after they use it, but I didn't want to take that risk anyways. So it was one of those items where I just kind of observed rather than did anything. I'm walking through an area right now that leads to the souvenir shop for this museum. And they have like this cool little light art going on to my side here. That's pretty much been my whole experience here at the DDP. That being said, it's not a place I think you need to spend too long at. I'm pretty much done with the inside, and I think I'm gonna try to walk around the outside to see if there's anything that I missed. Anyhow, I'm gonna go walk around a little bit more, see what I can find, and then I'll check back in a moment. So I am actually pretty well backlit right now. I don't know if it's actually gonna focus on me or not, but that being said, I am actually on the outer side of the DDP now, and I just finished kind of doing a complete loop around the place. Now, the Republic of Color was just an exhibit of the Dominican Republic, thus the name. Clever, it was good. I have one photo on my phone that I took at the photo zone, and that's it. I don't feel that it was appropriate to take, I still don't feel that it's appropriate to take photos of artwork unless you're doing something with it, right? Now, I'm not doing anything with it. So, that being said, I am now walking over to the, I think it's called the Dongdaemun Gate. I will know the name once I actually get there, but that's it for the DDP for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. So, some sort of public speaking going on up here. Anyhow, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'll see you in the next vid.